Hey there, adventure lovers. Welcome back to Auto Use, your go-to spot for all things innovative on 2, 3, or even 4 wheels. Today, we've got something truly groundbreaking, a tricycle that's ready to revolutionize camping and traveling. Meet the 2025 Wondercycle Camper Tricycle. This isn't just any tricycle. The Wondercycle Camper combines mobility, sustainability, and comfort in one compact package. Whether you're hitting the open road or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails, this trike has you covered. Literally, it comes with its own built-in camper. Check this out. The camper includes a cozy sleeping area, modular storage, and even a mini kitchenette. It's perfect for solo adventurers or couples looking for a unique way to explore the world. Let's talk specs. The Wondercycle Camper Tricycle is powered by a high-performance electric assist motor, giving you a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Plus, it has an impressive load capacity of 300 pounds, so you can bring all your essentials without breaking a sweat. And don't worry about terrain, it's equipped with all-terrain tires and advanced suspension, making it a breeze to handle whether you're on pavement or a dirt trail. Imagine waking up to this view, with your camper right behind you. The Wondercycle Camper is all about freedom and convenience. It's an eco-friendly alternative to traditional RVs and a step up from regular camping. Plus, it's compact enough to fit into small spaces, so you can park just about anywhere. So, what do you think of the 2025 Wondercycle Camper Tricycle? Could this be your next adventure companion? Let us know in the comments below. If you're as excited about this as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is an adventure. Ride it in style. See you next time.